Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to get rid of dead pixels in photos and videos. So here you can see I have a dead pixel. Very annoying, very distracting. I get complaints about it in the comments. This is my old camera. It has one on the sensor for some reason. So for a long time I didn't know how to fix it, so now I'm going back and fixing it and correcting some issues that I had on old videos. So first, to get rid of this, we're going to go down to this tab right here. It's where you can do the coloring. And we're going to go to over here. It's like Resolve, Revive tabs, I think. Let me see. Revival. Yeah, so you're going to look for Dead Pixel Fixer. You can even hard it right here. Favorite it. Save it for later. Drag it on over. So I'm going to show you what you don't want to do first because you're going to do this instinctively. So basically all you do to cover it is draw this circle and you can see it's already gone. But what you don't want to do is do it that big because it creates a blur, a smudge. You can see right here. I know it's hard to see because it's dark, but it's pixelated. It's really bad. Wish the footage was brighter, but it's the best I can show you. But basically it smudges it. It's a really bad move. So anyways, basically you can just zoom in on the picture. So you can do that in this tab right here. And we're going to minimize the space that blur takes up so it doesn't smudge a large area. So basically to do that, you're going to zoom in, make sure your video is selected. You can zoom here. So this zoom number is really going to depend on where your dead pixel or artifact is. For me, it's always in the same spot, so I generally know how to tweak it, but you're just going to go on the X and Y axis for both the zoom and the position until you can pretty much get it super tiny and super far zoomed in. And this is generally the threshold for mine to where it's like it won't go any further for a zoom. So we'll draw the circle now. Right here. So you're just going to click and drag. You can even reposition it like this. So here, right here, I kind of didn't cover the whole thing. So let me try readjusting it right here. And still you can barely see it. I'm actually going to just redraw this and be a little more, I'm going to give more to the circle on this since we're so far zoomed in. And it's gone. So now we're going to fix the zoom, reset it, which you can do there. And look how small that circle is compared to the beginning. So now it won't be a smudge. It won't be noticeable. You won't be able to tell at all that we did any work to it. I know it's pixelated because it's my old camera, but take my word for it, it is fixed. And that's pretty much it. So I'll be doing more Resolve tutorials, basic stuff. I'm no expert. Stick around. Thanks for watching.